A client asked me yesterday what the difference between if and when is, when to use it. So here's an explanation. If is used when we talk about a condition or situation that may or may not happen. It expresses uncertainty. Using if the client approves the proposal, we can start the project next month. When is used when we talk about things that we are sure will happen in the future. It expresses certainty. Using when the meeting is finished, I will send out a summary of all our discussion to all team members. I'll call you when the plane lands. Normal sentence. I'm confident the plane will land as expected. I'll call you if the plane lands. Cause for panic. It's 50-50 whether the plane will land or not. Summary. Use if for possible situations. Use when for definite situations. I hope that helps. Like, share and follow.